Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with businesswithtrading.com, doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 15th of December, Monday. And today was another good day in the markets. We had a nice gap up this morning. The market basically went sideways for a little while and then just dropped like a rock. Today we had 5 trades. We were 4 for 1 and ended up with 18 points on the day. Our first trade was, not that good. We kind of watched the market for a little bit, maybe a little bit too long. After watching, we did take a long right in this region here at 9 even at 2009, and we were quickly, stopped out after that. Give or take about 10 minutes. After that, the market did start to come lower, and we did get long down here, which we were able to take profit in on this small move up, and then the market went down some more, which was actually quite interesting. We did get long towards the bottom of this candle here, and we were able to take profit on this move up and turn it into a short. And we were able to write that down and make quite a bit of profit. So it was pretty nice. We did take profits rather early on that down move, but a profit is a profit. So we missed this latter part, but what matters is at least we were starting to make a little bit of profit. And then down here we saw the market start to support a little bit. We did get long up here towards the top of it, towards the top of this candle, and we were able to ride that up and take the majority of the profits out of the move. So from there, we ended up with 18 points, pretty nice. We kind of watched things from there. Market did sell off a little hesitation move, and then just continued down move. I was happy with 18 points. I didn't really see too much that looked that great. So we ended up with 18 points, and it just shows that our first trade was a loss. wasn't very good, but it doesn't matter how you start the day, it's how you finish the day. Just like in life in general, it's how you finish that really puts you over the hump. I was talking to my nephew the other day, and many years ago, when he was much younger, he's 8 now, but when he was much younger, he had an issue with competition. He wanted to win every single thing that he did, and if he didn't win, he would quit. And it's something that he had to realize himself. Other people can tell him stuff, it doesn't really matter. Just like anyone else, it doesn't matter what other people tell them. It matters what they think and how they feel. But he eventually learned, it's not how you start. It's not if you win, you have to win every time. It's how you finish. It's you learn from it. And that's what anything competitive is all about. Is did you learn something from it? Okay, you won your football game. Did you learn anything? Okay, you lost. Did you learn anything from it? And that's what it's all about, is being able to learn. And what we learned, once we got the stop out here, and the market moved down a little more, is that there was a good chance that it could go much lower. And that's one of the reasons why we took this trade. We grabbed the long because we wanted to add a little bit of we wanted to add a little bit to our P&L. And then we took the short because that's what we ultimately wanted to take, was this short. But, we didn't want to short it down here. We wanted to short a little higher, which makes a lot of sense. You want to short higher, you want to go long lower. That's what everybody wants to do. It's easier said than done, usually. But that's what I always look for, and that's why I'm okay if I don't get into a trade, if my order doesn't get filled. I'm okay with it because I don't want to chase price. That's not what I do. I enter with limit orders only. Because that's how I can control my P&L a little bit more. I entered here. Wherever price goes, it doesn't really matter. For example, up here we entered, got stopped out pretty quickly, but we were able to make it back and then some. And that's what really matters. From hindsight, it still looked like it was being supportive, but when it did break here, that was a sign that you don't want to be in this trade anymore. We got stopped out a little bit higher than that. We were long at 9. We got stopped at 7 because I try to maintain a 2-point stop whenever possible. Sometimes you can make it a little bit smaller. Like right here, for example, could make it a little smaller, and right here, for example, can make it a little smaller as well. And that's really what I look for. Is to minimize risk, maximize profits, but at the same hand, learning while I'm trading. I had a long bias here. We got stopped out. Market kept going lower. Turned into a short bias. And that's what trading's all about, really. So hopefully the video made sense to you. Got something out of it. You can always leave comments below the video. Thanks for watching. Have an excellent rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.